Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't. And today we are going to fix SafetyNet API error for Magisk and in almost all of the mobiles and all Android versions. Fixed by K-Dragon. So first of all, you need to make sure that Magisk is installed. If you do not have it installed, go to this link. All the links will be given in the description. This one. And scroll down. In the assets, download the APK file. Click on OK to download it and download other files also, like this one. Here I have opened the link and on the top you will see the releases. In the assets, download this zip file. So this is also downloaded. Let us go to these two links also, these ones. So we have to download the SafetyNet fix in the third link. So now you need to make sure that whether you are using the stable version of Magisk or the Magisk Canary or Gzisk, accordingly you have to download. So for Magisk, Canary or Gzisk, download the top assets file from this one. And if you are using stable version of Magisk, then you have to download the Reru version. So here we have the Reru assets. Download this file because I am using the stable version of Magisk and this file has been downloaded. So we have all of the three files. Let me collect them from the downloads directory, and here we have all of these three files. So as per the instructions, if you not have Magisk installed, install it with these two steps. Now after installation, you have to open Magisk. Now let us try to check for SafetyNet. Click on OK. Now you see attestation failed. Go back. Now go to this settings icon on the top right corner. Now scroll down and now you need to make sure that this Magisk hide option is not checked. If it is, uncheck it and relaunch Magisk. Now after that, first of all you have to click on hide the Magisk app. Click on it and name it like MAZ and click on OK. Now wait, it will download some files from the internet and it will relaunch it. Now let us add a shortcut to the home screen. Click on add automatically and here we have Magisk. Launch it. Now we have successfully renamed Magisk package name. Go to settings again. Now scroll down. Now you have to click on this Magisk hide. Okay, turn this option on. Now go back. So we have completed the requirements. Now let us proceed for the instructions. Whether you have installed Magisk stable version or the Magisk Canary version or Gzisk, follow the instructions accordingly. So I am using the Magisk stable version. So let us flash the Reru Core Magisk module. So in the bottom you can see we have this last icon on the right side. Click on it. Click on install from storage. And now here you have to select the package that we have downloaded from this link. Let me open that location and here we have it. So we have to flash this Reru file, okay, the second one. Click on it and it is done. Now as it says on the laptop screen, you have to reboot your device. So let us click on reboot now. So we have successfully rebooted our device. Let us move to the next step. Already downloaded the SafetyNet patch. Let us flash in Magisk. So open Magisk now. Go to the same icon in the bottom right. click on install from storage and place the safety net fix. It is also done. Now again we have to reboot our device. So let us click on reboot now. So we are almost done with the last reboot for the stable version of Magisk. Let us open Magisk now and check if safety net passes or not. Click on OK to download the code. And here you can see it shows a success. So we have successfully passed the safety net integrity check. You can even open Play Store and check if your device is certified or not. Settings, About, and it shows device is certified. Perfect. And I am telling you again, if you have Magisk Canary or ZZisk, you can follow these two instructions. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.